Monkey, 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 monkey.
Milkshake Monkey!
Is Milkshake Monkey feeding the ducks? Is he by the lake? Where is Milkshake Monkey?
Here I am at Stag Lodge Stables. Today, I've come to help look after the ponies. Ooh, I hope they like me.
Hello, Monkey.
Oh, hello, Louise.
Have you had a good breakfast?
Oh, yes, I have. I've had a banana milkshake and banana spread on banana bread. Ooh, 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 and a banana.
Good. You'll need lots of energy for all the jobs I have for you to do today.
Ooh, ooh. Do you think all the ponies will like me?
Well, Monkey, they've never met a monkey before, but they are ever so friendly.
Good. Ooh, what's this one's name?
This one here is called Perry. She loves being brushed. She loves having lots of attention.
Oh, is that a special horsey brush?
Yes, this is called a body brush, and we use the body brush all over the pony's body.
Oh, I think she's enjoying that. Her mane looks like it's had a haircut.
Yes, we've chopped her mane a little bit shorter to keep her nice and comfortable in the summer.
Oh, yes. Well, do you know, I think all that brushing is making her feel a bit sleepy. I think she might need to go for a little lie down.
Well, ponies can actually sleep standing up as well.
No.
Yes.
Really? Wow. Sleep standing up. I wish I could do that.
Right, Monkey, it's your turn now.
What? You want to give me a brush? OK, then.
No, Monkey, your turn to brush the pony.
Oh, yes, of course. I've come to help look after the ponies. Right, I'll get a brush. Here we go, Perry.
Well done, Monkey.
Phew, my arms ache now. Oof.
There's still more to do. You need to sweep the yard now.
Do I?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, there is so much to do. This could take me all day. It's a good job I ate my nanas this morning. Phew. Nearly there, Monkey.
Monkey, I've got one more job for you to do.
Oh, yes, I'm ready. Oh, you're really enjoying that, aren't you? It can be hard work looking after ponies, but lots of fun too. Feeding ponies is my favourite job of the day. I really like looking after ponies, and I think they like me too. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
Monkey, 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 monkey.
Milkshake Monkey!
Hello, milkshakers. Make sure you like, subscribe and click on the bell so we can let you know when we have more fun milkshake stuff. Ooh, and click there to watch more of me.